This
Sir,
says,
what to do?
okay,
Sir, what to
listen.
do? I can use annotate.
All right. So what we do in our last class, we talked about how we can change a fraction into decimal by counting zeros in denominator and writing that many numbers after decimal point, right? That's what we did. How many zeros here? That many number after decimal point. So that's how we did. Now if we have to change this number into fraction, what do we do? Justin is here. So now if we have number into fraction, we have this number, decimal number this. Now we have to change this into fraction. How do we
Sir,
do?
can I write answer?
We do the same thing. Now earlier we counted zeros and put number after point. Now we count number after point and put zeros. So how many numbers are there after point? 5. So I put 5 zeros. So we just do the opposite. Is that okay? We'll just do the opposite of what we did here. We counted zeros and put a point before that many numbers in the numerator and got our answer. Now to go backward, what do we need to do? We need to count the number after point and put that many zeros in denominator. So just the opposite. So now we'll be checking the work that I gave you. Work that I gave you is... First me. I am first.
Nobody.
You were not there when I was born.
Sir, it took me 2 hours to do this homework. Sir, it took me 2 hours to do this homework. Sir, it's because my charge will go when it becomes 10. I do and
I thought you were doing in slow motion. You know, like,
and again do like do it.
Sir, can I say first? Can I do first?
wait. The oldest man in your class will do the first. And the oldest man is me. Your grandfather will do first. My grandchild's, I will do first.
Sir.
Okay, you know what? I let Liana do the first and Rihanna will do the second. Liana first, Rihanna second. You know what? I will turn on the annotate. You can do it in the screen. How about that? Rihanna, do the...
Sir, yes, that's true.
Okay.
Sir, I don't know.
This is for Liana L. Liana, you do this. Rihanna R, you do this.
Sir, can I please do C number?
Okay, Zayan.
I have done like this. Sir, I have done like this. I have marked. Sir, I have done like straight down. Straight down.
But you do it in my screen. My screen. Don't do this. Oh my God. Blood in my screen. Don't do this. Remove it.
Oh, this is not fair. Sir, like this, straight. Sir, can you do straight?
We can do it in the screen, you know. You can choose it and check in your copy. It's not a big deal.
First, 7
Rihanna, you're
I
supposed
need
to
to
do
search
this.
it. Sir, I need to search for that question. It is so hard because.
Okay, correct. This is correct. Liana's answer is correct. Everyone do the correction if there is mistake. Because there are 2 numbers after point, there will be 2 zeros after 1 in denominator. Correct, Liana. Very good. Jayant, this is yours, Jayant. Jay for Jayant.
Sir, Rihanna haven't done.
Reason.
you give me also?
Yes, sir.
This is reason.
Sir, I will put-
Reason do this. This is for Sraman. Sraman do. Okay, Ipsa take that. Sraman do this. Sraman do this.
Yes, I love
Ipsa
this
do
one.
this. Ipsa do this. Supreme.
Easy.
Superman. Supreme. Okay, Supreme do that.
Sir, is it correct? 1 by 10.
And
Sir, 1 by 10.
okay, yes, correct. This is
Correct,
correct.
sir.
As many number after point, that many zero in the denominator. Correct. Reason correct. Rihanna, what happened to you, Rihanna? Can you write it like, okay, Reason, can you rob this? You are taking Sraman's space. Please write in your own space. Okay, I'll write your answer for you. Sraman,
I
do
don't
it.
know how to write system.
Okay, so your answer is correct,
Sir,
Reason.
can I-
That's okay.
Sir, can I write my question?
Yes.
Answer?
No, yes, I think yes, you can write your answer here in this
Sir,
box.
your tick also in someone place.
Yes. So get out of there. Get out of there, my tick. Get out of there. Okay, Nimesh. Nimesh,
Sir,
you're going to
wait.
do this.
Of that, okay, sir, wait. Sir, मलाई भन्नु भएको
This one.
Answer correct. 6 by 10.
Nimesh, you do in this box, right?
हटाउनु न यो बक्सा सर can you
Box
drop
are
this
no. You do it right in this box, Nimesh. This is Nimesh box. Nimesh. No. Who's this?
I have written. Sir, I have those rockets. I don't like.
I am getting something here.
अलि नराम्रो छ
Who's this? Nedna.
Sir, sorry for that.
Sir, you have record also. Oh my god.
Oh my God, you're in YouTube. You are popular.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, Nimesh. You're making mess of it, Nimesh. You should be inside the box, Nimesh. You're coming out of the box. Nimesh, get back to the box. Okay, everyone do the correction from the screen. Ipsa's answer is correct. Sraman's answer is correct. As many numbers after point, that many zero in the denominator. Good job. Okay, Supri's answer correct. Who is this? Someone is. Who is this? Oh. A Mela is happy. Rihanna, you're supposed to do this one. Second one, Rihanna. This is for you.
Sir, I will write all the answers in the scene emulating.
Hey, okay. Can you say the answer? I will write it.
5 by 10.
5 by
sorry
10
for
is
that.
correct. A
Sir,
Japanese teacher
sorry
will
for
say
that.
correct.
Oh, bad idea. It is so bad idea.
Why bad idea?
Your skin is put sir.
Yes, my screen is right now flood.
Sir, I need to rub this. Sir, this my handwriting is so bad. Sir, can you rub this handwriting? I need to write from computer so it will be easy
No,
for
it's-
me to write.
Do it like Liana did. Liana's handwriting. Look at Liana's handwriting. Okay, now Justin, this is for you, Justin.
Sir, she has that. Sir, she has used text. That.
Yes, you need
Sir, yes.
Suhas.
Sir, I don't know how to use text.
Yeah, yes, Nimesh. If this is one, Nimesh, why are you rubbing it? Okay, bonus.
Sir, can you write my handwriting? I need to. My handwriting is very
Sir,
bad.
625 and it is 1000.
Correct. A Japanese teacher will.
Sir,
Correct. Yes.
sir,
Correct.
can you rub this handwriting? Sir, can you rub this handwriting? It is so
Okay.
bad.
Now that is also bad.
Sir, now I need to write my own handwriting.
Okay, Justin and Suhas, I have given you in the screen. Please write. Ishana, this is for you.
7.
Ishana, this one is for you.
Sir, can you read me?
Okay, who's this?
7.
Sir, I don't know how to minimize this one. It is so much.
Justin, correct. Now a Spanish teacher will say correct.
Sir, not correct too. Correct.
Correct. Okay, now Pratik sir will say correct. Suhas, correct. Justin, correct. But you are taking your friend's space, so I will erase it and write it myself. Okay. Justin and Suhas, well done. Okay, next I want whom? Abhinav, are you here, Abhinav?
Sir, yes.
Okay, Abhinav, do this. This is for Abhi. Abhi.
1 minute, okay?
Okay. 3 by 10. Okay, yes, Justin, you can write. Just don't take. Ishana, are you here? Okay,
Sir,
who is
why
it?
are you calling me Obi Khabi?
Not Khabi, I didn't
I
say
don't
Khabi.
like this.
Anubhav. I cannot
Giant
write the
is
whole
calling
name.
me hobby hubby. Giant, I will beat you from one slap.
Okay, just do your work. No slapping anything. Just do your work.
Sir, why you write Anu? I'm not Anu.
Okay,
Write
Anub.
B
Name.
also.
Pops.
Anupam.
I cannot write the whole name. Your name is
Sir, now
long.
join. Sir, can you write join name?
You choose.
Sir,
you
sir,
choose
can
my
you,
favorite name.
sir, can you write join name? Joyanta.
Giant is already
Jayantia.
JY.
No,
Okay.
no. Sir,
Jayanti.
his name is Anu.
Aslesha, I want you to try this. Aslesha, if you have confusion, ask. Aslesha, I want you to try this. Abhinav, is this your one, Abhinav? Your one looks like 4. Oh my god, what happened to your zero? Oh my
सर
god.
मलाई यस्तो लेख्न आउँदैन सर मेरो माउस बिचमा लेख्ने बेलामा हल्लिरहेछ टेढो मेढो अनि
Text, use text. This is disaster.
ओके टेक्स्ट ओके
Okay, now who's left?
टेक्स्ट कति लामो हो
लामो भए पनि हुन्छ, लेख्नुस् न.
युज हुँदैन सबै व्हाइटै व्हाइट देखाउँछ युजले भने सबै व्हाइटै व्हाइट
Sir,
Okay.
somebody is annotating in the.
सर लेख्न मिलेन
Now it's
Please
time for the.
don't do rough in the screen. No pollution in the screen, please. लेख्न मिलेन भने answer भन्. Jayant, one pollution. This is one pollution.
that mobile charge is low.
Okay.
सर लेख्न मिलेन
Abhinav, say I will write. भन्नुस् त.
सर 375 by 1000
1000, okay.
Answer. Sir, where
Huh?
is my answer?
सर यस्तो गर्नु सर एन्सर भन्नला बेलामा
Okay.
कस्तो बोलाउँछ
Who is this? Okay, Shraman, right? Correct, Shraman. I think you have done enough, Shraman. No, 1-0. Shraman, 1-0 is missing. There are 3 numbers after point. You have only 2 zeros.
Sir, you cannot see. There is another zero also. See that.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
there is 1 0 hiding.
Okay.
Sir,
Why are you
it is
hiding?
hard for me to draw because
Okay, Shraman, I
Sir,
think
please remove this all screen here.
I don't like.
सर मैले च्याटमा एन्सर पठाएछ
okay, I will see and write your answer from chat.
Sir, look
Okay,
please
Ishana's
remove
answer
this
is also
always.
correct. I hope everyone is checking their answer. Anubhav, where is your answer, Anubhav? Mr. Anubhav,
Sir,
Aslesha, we're waiting.
sir.
Don't do this.
Oh my god.
Sir, nothing is doing.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I will.
look at my one. It's also so Sir, and video is off and it is recording and going to YouTube.
Yes. Okay, these are all the answers for all the questions. I hope you guys correction. Yes. Oh, Aslesha, can you write this answer?
Someone this is screen in my hand.
Yes, Rihanna.
Sir, can I send you one, sir?
You send me diseases, Liana, and I will. I will agree. What are you going to say?
Disease.
Okay. Send me, Rihanna. I'm a brave person. I can watch anything. Send me.
Sir,
Yes.
is there new? Sir, there is one new. Sir, there is one new student. I think who is this werewolf? I don't know.
That is Nimes.
Oh, sorry, he is very